Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to add audio in Canva video. So let's get right into it. Head over to your web browser and search for Canva. Once you do it, just head over to your project, one of your project. Suppose I'm going to this one. So once you're there, just tap on Elements and then just go to Audio, and from here just add any audio you want. I'm currently adding this one, and as you can see the audio is added in here. If you want to add more of them, you can just tap on it and then just lengthen it with your choice. This is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.